Hey, this is Anne from Magnify, and today I'm going to take a look at investing in commodities. So commodities have been in the news a lot recently because they're one of the few asset classes that are performing well right now. And I thought I might take a look at what commodities are and if I want to invest in them or not. So commodities basically a raw material and a lot of different ways to invest in them. You could do something like invest in an ETF that has a broad base of commodities. It's investing in a bunch of different types of commodities. Or you could get really specific with your search. So I could even look at specific types of agricultural commodities to invest in. And when I look through these results, I can even invest specifically in coffee, in corn, in wheat. I can even invest in a cocoa index. And I thought a really cool way to see if I wanted to include commodities in my portfolio would be to compare them to other asset classes. So I wanted to see how commodities performed over time against a bond index and an equities index. So what I've done is I've used my compare tool and I've brought in this AGG, this Barclays Ag Bond Index, this Commodities Index, and this S&P 500 Index. And I wanted to take a look at how they're performing over time. So if I use this time range tool, I can go in and see how they've performed over a 5-year time range. And I can see that SPY has about a little over 12% returns, and the commodities basket has 13% returns, whereas bonds, which have this much lower risk factor, have those lower returns. And if I wanted to get more specific, I was specifically interested in seeing how they performed year to date. I can also go in and see how they performed by using this custom time frame. So if I start in January and end last month, I can just get an idea of how they performed so far this year. And in this case, we see that SPY equities are down about 13%, while this commodity basket is up about 32%. So just a really cool way for you to go in and compare different asset classes and see if this is some diversification that you might want to add into your portfolio.